So we're back with new questions of GATE 2025. This question has been asked in the GATE 2025. So in the following reactions, 13.4 grams of aldehyde P gave a diastereomeric mixture of alcohols Q and R in a ratio of 2:1. If the yield of the reaction is 80% of the amount of Q in grams obtained is, you have to find out. So this is 13.4 gram. The product that is formed is in a 2:1 ratio. Okay, and overall yield of these P and Q is Q and R is 80%. That means it is two parts. The Q is two parts, and R is one part. So overall 80% divided by 3, you will get 26.66 percentage, 6.7 percentage. So if it is two parts, that means 2 into 26.67, and this is 26.67 percentage. So it will be 3.33 percentage. So Q and R is in the ratio 2:1. So overall it is 80%, and out of this 80%, if it is two parts and this one part, so two part will be 53% and 26% will be the R, one part. Now from the reaction that is given, like it's 1 mole, when it reacts with the methyl lithium and THF in presence of THF and H3O plus, you get 1 mole of this and 1 mole of this. So let's calculate the given amount is 13.4. Convert this 13.4 to moles. Now to convert it to mole, we need to find the molecular weight of this compound. So what's the molecular weight? M is equal to gram. This is the molecular weight. So M is equal to 134, and given mass is 130.4 gram. Number of moles of Q of P will be 13.4 by 34. That will be 1 by 10, 0.1 moles. This much mole, if we take 13 gram of this, that means it is 0.1 mole. So obviously this will also produce 0.1 mole. This will also produce 0.1. So this one in grams. If I find out the amount of this in grams, we know that according to reaction it will produce 1 mole, isn't it? So what is 53% of this 1 mole? That's what you have to find out. 53.33 percentage of 0.1 mole will be like 53.33 by 100 into 0.1, 0.0533 mole. That means, why do you have to calculate this? As this percentage is required because overall the amount of Q and R is not 100%. It's 80%. The product yield is 80%. So this is the amount of mole of Q that will be getting if we take 13.4 gram and the product yield is 80%. Now obviously from mole we can find out the molecule. This is the formula of mole is what? Given mass by molecular weight. So molecular weight L13 is 150. So molecular weight is 150, isn't it? So W will be 0.05333 into 150, and that will give you 7.99995 gram, and which is equivalent to 8 gram. So what is the amount of Q? What is the amount of Q? That is, amount of Q will be 8 gram. Test answer. Now moving to the next question, we have some specific so this is the same as the two questions are asked in the GATE 2035. This is specific rotation of enantiomerically pure S2-butanol is 14 degree plus 14 degree. The specific rotation of enantiomeric mixture of 2-butanol obtained from an asymmetric reduction of 2-butanol is found to be plus 7 degree. The percentage of R2-butanol present in the reaction mixture is, so it said that if this is 2-butanol, if this is reduced, you get 2 alcohols. Plus you get just 2 alcohols. Okay, S2 butanol. Let's see which one is S. If you want to find out the S, R and S, let's draw a. If you observe from this position, you will find HHCS. This is carbon 1 2. C2H5. Wait, CS3. Okay, now this is CS3. This is H, this is OH. This is CS3, this is OH, this is H, this is CS3, H. This is the chiral carbon. So it is 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is R, that will be S. This is S. If it is 1, 2, 3, if it is S, then it is R, because hydrogen is in the horizontal position. Now this is R, this is S. So this is R, this is S. The pure S is, if it is pure S, the pure S is, okay, so pure, if it is pure, if it is in pure form, it makes an specific rotation of plus 14 degree. The specific rotation is a mixture, and the specific rotation, this is specific rotation, and the specific rotation of this mixture is what? Plus 7 degree, isn't it? Then we have to find out what is the percentage of R to butanol. What is the percentage of this butanol? Now if you want to find out, let's talk about the enantiomeric axis, EE. It is given by observed specific rotation of the mixture divided by the enantiomerically pure that means specific rotation of this enantiomerically pure substance into 100. Then you will get 7 by 14 into 100, that is equal to it will come to 50. So its enantiomeric axis is 50%. Enantiomeric axis is 50%. Now P giving you Q plus R, but let's say the Q percent is X percentage. So what is the percentage of R? Is 100 minus X. Then this enantiomeric axis 50% is equal to EE is equal to X minus 100 minus X, isn't it? 14 minus X minus X, or you can say 50 is equal to twice X minus 100. Then twice X is equal to 150, and X is equal to 75%. So the percentage of X is 75%, and the R is obviously 25%. So here the question is the percentage of R butanol present in the reaction mixture is 25%.